How to hire food truck employees, and here are some strategies for building an efficient food truck team. So welcome to Food Truck Freaks. It is Damian Roberti, founder and CEO of Food Truck Freaks and Marketing Food Online. We have several food entrepreneur channels here on YouTube. I'm going to give you some great tips and pointers on building a great food truck team and what you may want to look for if you're new to food trucks or if you just launched one and you need to grow and hire people. I'm going to give you some great strategies and a good foundation to understand who, where, and why, and how to build a great team. All right, so we're going to start with the foundation of team building. Now, before diving into the specifics, let's establish a solid foundation through effective team building. This is a well-knit team is like a finely tuned engine. It ensures your food truck runs smoothly from day to night. So begin by emphasizing the importance of teamwork and a shared vision. Ensure your team members understand their individual roles and how they contribute to the collective goal of running your food truck. Now, encourage open communication. You want to foster camaraderie and create a positive work environment for sure. Now, remember, the success of a food truck isn't solely dependent upon the quality of the dishes. It's also about the experience you provide for customers and your employees that you hire. A happy, cohesive team is more likely to deliver exceptional customer service and great food every single time. All right, now let's dive into this. Number one, hiring the right talent. So the hiring process is where your food truck team takes shape. It's essential to be discerning and meticulous in your selection. You want to look for candidates who not only possess the requisite of culinary skills, but also fit seamlessly into your team dynamics. Now, of course, culinary expertise. While passion for cooking is, of course, paramount, a diverse skill set within your team can be a game changer for your food truck. Consider hiring individuals with expertise in various cuisines or cooking styles. That's going to broaden your menu and make your food truck even better and cater to a wider audience. Next up, adaptability. The fast-paced environment, of course, of a food truck demands adaptability. You want to look for team members who can thrive under pressure, switch roles when needed, and maintain their cool during peak hours. Customer focus. Now, exceptional customer service is hands down the make or break of any business, but especially a food truck. It can set your food truck apart. You want to seek team members who are not only skilled in the kitchen, but also possess charisma to engage with customers in creating a memorable experience. Now, the big one, reliability. Of course, punctuality and reliability are non-negotiable. Your team should be trustworthy and committed to maintaining the food truck schedule, as a consistency is key in the business of food trucks. All right, next section, number 2, training and development. Now, once you've assembled your team, invest time in their training and development. Continuous improvement is a cornerstone of efficiency in any food truck business. Begin with a comprehensive onboarding to familiarize new hires with your food truck's operations, expectations, and of course, safety protocols. Regularly update your team on a menu change and of course, feedback. And with industry trends, keep them and their skills knowledgeable and up to date. Now, you also want to encourage cross-training among team members. Now, this is interesting. When each member can step in with multiple roles, you gain the flexibility in scheduling and minimize downtime during staff shortages. Number 3, effective communication. Now, efficiency thrives on effective communications and create clear channels for information flow within your team. Whether it's relying on or relaying orders to the kitchen or coordinating the front office of the house, seamless communication is imperative. You want to utilize technology to your advantage, so you want to invest in, of course, a point of sale, POS system, that maybe even integrates seamlessly into your kitchen operations. This not only expedites order processing, but also minimizes errors on your team's part. Implement a communication platform, such as messaging app to keep your team connected during service hours. Quick updates and real-time adjustments can be crucial when facing unexpected challenges. Streamlined the workflow. Now, this one's really, really interesting. An efficient food truck team is characterized by streamlined workflow. Time is money in this business. Now, every minute, of course, counts. Prep and organization. The French culinary term for everything is in place should be your mantra. Now, prioritize meticulous food prep or an organization because a well-organized kitchen minimizes chaos during service hours. Task delegation. Now, you want to assign roles based on the individual's strengths. You want to identify who excels at grilling, frying, plating, or even customer interaction. This ensures each task is handled efficiently. Optimize your kitchen layout. Now, this is something also that would even increase better with your team as well. Invest in an ergonomic kitchen layout. A well-designed space minimizes movement, reducing the chances of collisions or optimizing workflows. Next up is quality control. Maintaining consistent quality control is vital. Your food truck's reputation hinges on the taste and presentation of the dishes. Implement quality standards and regularly review them for your team. Now, this includes taste testing or even visual inspections and portion control. Consistency in flavor, texture, or portion sizes ensures that every customer receives the exact same experience and they keep coming back. All right, next up, adaptability and innovation. The food truck industry is dynamic and ever evolving, so you want to stay relevant, requiring adaptability and innovation. Menu rotation is something that you may want to think about. Keep your menu fresh and exciting by periodically introducing new items. This not only attracts repeat customers, but also keeps your team engaged with something new and fresh that they're learning as they go. Seasonal specials. Now you want to capitalize on seasonal ingredients to create limited time specials. This not only showcases your culinary creativity, but also encourages customers to return for unique offerings every time. All right, next up, efficient inventory management. Now, efficiency extends beyond the kitchen. And don't get me wrong, it includes inventory management. So you want to be careful and monitor your stock levels to prevent waste and maintain a lean operation. Implement inventory tracking software to keep a real-time record of ingredients and supplies. Set par levels for each time in each item to ensure that you reorder in a timely fashion. Regularly audit your inventory, and you want to identify slow-moving items for potentially overstock situations. Efficient inventory management can significantly impact your bottom line, so you want to be on top of that, and that's where your team comes in. Next up is team motivation and recognition. Efficiency thrives again in a positive work environment, so team motivation and recognition are essential components of a well-oiled food truck team. Celebrate achievement, both big and small. You want to recognize team members for their dedication and outstanding performance to your food truck. This fosters a sense of pride and encourages continued excellence. Create incentives and rewards programs to keep your team motivated. Whether it's performance-based or bonuses, recognition in front of customers, or even team outings, these gestures go a long way in maintaining team morale. All right, next up is health and safety. Now, in the fast-paced world of food trucks, health and safety should be the optimist and most uncompromised aspect of your business. Ensure your team is well-versed in food safety protocols, from proper handling to hygiene practices as well. Regular health inspections and compliance with local regulations are paramount. So invest in safety equipment and training such as fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and be able to handle emergencies efficiently and effectively. Next up and lastly, continuous improvement. Efficiency is ongoing pursuit. So encourage a culture of continuous improvements within your food truck team. Hold regular team meetings to gather feedback and brainstorm solutions and challenges. This actually encourages team members to propose efficiencies and ideas to you. Invest in training and developing opportunities for your team. Whether it's attending culinary workshops or even leadership seminars, this investment goes a long way. So there you have it. That's a handful of strategies for building an efficient food truck team. If you're brand new to food trucks, and always hit the subscribe button. We've got tons of great information here on Food Truck Freaks, and we'll see you on our next video.